in Chippewa, had a station wagon and $100, searching for the girl I'd lost a year before. I hadn't seen her for some time, thought I might go on by, but when your memory came flooding back and you closed that door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a diesel locomotive. I come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the coal just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train. Well, every time I hear you talk, I hear jealous lies. I feel like I've been left abandoned on some old railway side. And every time I hear your voice, my water just gets cold. My stoker will not stoke, my boiler will not boil. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a diesel locomotive. I come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the coal just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train. Every time I feel behind, I could not get ahead. I wish someone would pull a lever and give me a little sand. And every time I slip behind, even further back, I wish some switchman would come out of the fog and switch my track. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a diesel locomotive. I come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the coal just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a diesel locomotive. I come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the coal just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a freight train.
Excuse me, ma'am, I saw you walking, I turned around, I'm not a stalker. Where you going? Maybe I can help you. My tank is full, I'd be obliged to take you, 'cause I'm a country boy, got a four-wheel drive. Climb in my bed, I'll take you for a ride. Up city streets, down country roads, I can get you where you need to go, 'cause I'm a country boy. You sure look good, sitting in my right seat. Buckle up, I'll take you through the 5 speeds. Wind it up, rockin' slow and way down. In the woods, right uptown. I'm a country boy, got a four-wheel drive. Climb in my bed, I'll take you for a ride. Up city streets, down country roads, I can get you where you need to go, 'cause I'm a country boy. Big 35s winding on the asphalt, grabbing mud, singing up some red dirt. 'Cause I'm a country boy. My muffler's loud, dual thrust tubes. I crank the music, the tone gets real good. Let me know when we're getting close. You can slide on out or we can head on down the road. 'Cause I'm a country boy, got a four-wheel drive. Climbing my bed, I'll take you for a ride. Up city streets, down country roads. Yeah, I can get you where you wanna go. 'Cause I'm a country boy. Bucket seats, soft as baby's new bud. Locking hubs, will take you through a deep rut. 'Cause I'm a country boy, I got a four-wheel drive. Climbing my bed, I'll take you for a ride. Up city streets, down winding roads. I can get you where you need to go. 'Cause I'm a country boy. I'm a country boy, got a four-wheel drive. Climbing my bed, and I take you for a ride. Up city streets, down country roads. I can get you where you wanna go. 'Cause I'm a country boy. Yeah, I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm just a country boy. A nice little country boy.
Simple as my mama said when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. But here I am at 21, as loaded as a stagecoach shotgun. I'm sorry, mama, please don't look at me. When I got to Oklahoma, I was 17. My papa taught me how to work, and Lord, he was mean. Working all day in that August heat, and he taught me how to fish. My uncle taught me how to drink. Well, I went to California and I had me a band, and we played in all the bars and all the southern lands. We played all night and we drank for free, all of my boys and me. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can drink it like me. Soon I'll be 24 and the Lord knows that I can't drink no more. I know I should have taken it slow. It's not the way that my life goes. Now I know. When you're passed out on the floor, you're sober by 24. Well, I had a girl who loved me the whole damn time, and I drink my whiskey and she drink wine. Soon my bottle was too much to company. Yeah, we'd sit on the river and we'd fish all day, and we'd drive across the country, let the radio play. 7 damn years I never thought she'd leave. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can drink it like me. Soon I'll be 24 about 24.